Welcome to Review Lab. The best My K-Cup Universal Coffee Filter is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective ways to enjoy your favorite ground coffee in your Keurig brewer, offering a sustainable alternative to single-use pods and allowing for a personalized coffee experience tailored to your taste preferences and budget. This innovative filter is designed to fit seamlessly into most Keurig models, ensuring a perfect brew every time without compromising on flavor or convenience, making it an essential accessory for any coffee lover looking to reduce waste and explore a wider variety of coffee blends. Number 5. K&J Keurig Filter Replacement 12-pack. Enjoy a perfect fit with our replacement filters, designed to be compatible with nearly all Keurig coffee machines, both new and old. They are crafted for a universal fit across a wide range of models. Our filters feature advanced micromesh material. This ensures that the activated charcoal stays securely inside, preventing any clogs in your coffee maker. Experience the best-tasting coffee right at home. These filters remove impurities, calcium, chlorine, and odors, thanks to the activated charcoal, for a superior brew. We are committed to reducing waste. Your replacement filters are shipped with minimal packaging and are individually sealed for optimal protection. We believe these are the most effective filters available. If you're not completely satisfied, our customer team is ready to assist you to ensure your expectations are met. What we like? These filters offer a perfect fit for a wide range of Keurig models, ensuring compatibility. The micromesh material prevents grounds from clogging your machine, and the activated charcoal improves flavor by removing impurities. If you're looking for a reliable replacement that enhances your coffee's taste and works with almost any Keurig, this is a great choice. What people say. It is a great filter that works with many coffee makers. The filter is easy to use and clean. It makes a delicious cup of coffee. Number 4. Keurig My K-Cup Reusable Filter. Enjoy your favorite ground coffee with this reusable filter. Simply add your preferred grounds and brew a delicious single cup. Our advanced multi-stream technology ensures you get the richest flavor and aroma from your coffee. It extracts the best from your grounds every time. This filter is designed by Keurig for compatibility with most Keurig home brewers. It's the perfect way to use your own coffee with your machine. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe on the top rack. Plus, it's made from BPA-free materials for your peace of mind. This filter is specifically designed for use with ground coffee. For the best results, please avoid using tea leaves, hot cocoa, or other powdered beverages. What we like? This reusable filter allows you to brew with your favorite ground coffee, offering flexibility and cost savings. It's compatible with multi-stream technology for maximum flavor extraction and is conveniently dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. If you enjoy experimenting with different coffee grounds and want a convenient, flavor-maximizing option, this is the one for you. What people say. This filter is a great alternative to disposable pods. It fits perfectly in my Keurig machine and brews a good cup of coffee. Easy to clean and reuse, saving money and reducing waste. Number 3. Keurig My K-Cup Reusable Coffee Filter. Enjoy your favorite ground coffee with the Keurig My K-Cup. This reusable filter is designed to work with a wide range of Keurig brewers, offering ultimate convenience. With dual fill lines, you can easily brew the perfect amount for a single cup or a travel mug. Just fill to the line and brew. Make an eco-friendly choice with this durable, BPA-free reusable filter. It's designed for countless brews, reducing waste and saving you money. Using it is incredibly simple. Fill it with your preferred coffee grounds, place it in your Keurig, and brew your perfect cup. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a quick and easy wash. Crafted from premium, BPA-free plastic, this filter ensures both quality and safety for your daily coffee ritual. What we like? Designed with dual fill lines, this filter is optimized for both cup and travel mug brew sizes, offering convenience. It's a durable, reusable, and BPA-free plastic filter that's also dishwasher safe for easy maintenance. If you value precise filling for different mug sizes and prioritize ease of use and cleaning, this filter is an excellent option. What people say. The filter is easy to use and clean. It fits perfectly in my Keurig machine and brews a great cup of coffee. I like that it is reusable and eco-friendly. Number 2. Keurig Side Reservoir Water Filter Holder Starter Kit. Elevate your coffee experience with this all-in-one water filter holder and cartridge starter kit. It's designed to fit seamlessly with your Keurig Side Reservoir coffee machine. This filter holder is compatible with a wide range of Keurig 2.0 models, ensuring you can enjoy purified water for your favorite brews. Please check the compatibility list to confirm it works with your specific brewer. The starter kit includes the filter holder with a convenient replacement date selector, a retainer base, and 6 charcoal water filter cartridges. You'll have everything you need to get started right away. Enjoy improved beverage quality with this BPA and DHP-free kit. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included picture instructions, making it incredibly easy to set up and use. Each water filter cartridge is designed to last up to 2 months. This ensures your coffee consistently tastes pure and free from impurities, enhancing every cup. What we like. This starter kit includes a filter holder and 6 charcoal water filter cartridges, designed to improve beverage quality. Each cartridge lasts up to 2 months, ensuring consistently pure-tasting coffee. If you have a Keurig coffee machine with a side reservoir and are looking for a comprehensive solution to enhance both your coffee grounds and water purity, this kit is ideal. What people say. Works perfectly with my Keurig K Elite. It fits my Keurig K Elite perfectly and brews a great cup of coffee. The filter is easy to use and clean. Number 1. Podoy K400 Reusable Coffee Filter Inner 3-Pack. Introducing the Podoy K400 Reusable Coffee Filter Inner. This pack includes 3 filters and a coffee spoon, designed for your convenience. It offers universal fit for all Keurig My K-Cup brewers, including 2.0 and 1.0 models. It's also compatible with specific Keurig models like the K250, K300, K350, K375, K400, K450, and K475. Filling and cleaning are a breeze thanks to its optimized design and removable lid. It's perfect for brewing both cups and travel mugs. This filter is built to last, offering a durable and reliable solution. By choosing this reusable option, you help reduce single-use plastic waste and minimize your environmental impact. For effortless cleanup, simply place it on the top rack of your dishwasher. It's designed for your convenience and repeated use. Your purchase includes 3 gray inner coffee filters and 1 coffee spoon. Enjoy your coffee with this sustainable and practical accessory. What we like. This package provides 3 reusable inner coffee filters, offering great value and reducing single-use plastic waste. They are designed for a universal fit with most Keurig My K-Cup brewers and are dishwasher safe. If you're looking for an economical and environmentally conscious way to brew your favorite coffee grounds with your Keurig, this 3-pack is a fantastic choice. What people say. It is a great filter that fits my Keurig perfectly. This filter is easy to use and clean. The coffee tastes great with this filter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.